Welcome to Christian Trade Network's tutorial on selling on CTN in fixed price listings. When logged into christiantrade.net, click on the Sell button in the upper left corner. The first step in posting an item for sale is to select a category and any subcategories. Next, you'll want to pick a listing type. This can be auction, fixed price, or classified. For purposes of this tutorial, we are choosing the fixed price listing type. Auction listings are somewhat different, and there is another video to discuss that. Then select a region. If you pick United States, you'll pick the state and city. If you pick Canada, you'll pick the province. If you pick United Kingdom or Australia, you'll pick the city. Choose your currency. The US dollar is selected by default. Once you have selected your listing type, region, and currency, click Next. Now it's time to do your listing. Select the title. This is really just the name of the item you're selling. You can put in a subtitle if you'd like. This can be a short description, for example, slightly used, new in box, or so on. Then enter the description. The text editor here is somewhat limited, but you can copy and paste from another text editor to jazz up your description. Enter the price you are asking for the product and how many you are selling. Check this box if you will take an offer. Click the Add Image button to add up to 10 images from your computer. You can add a YouTube video to your post if you want to convey more information, such as how an item is manufactured. If you have any additional PDF files you wish to include, such as instructions, click Add Files. Here are your listing options. These are add-ons and have a small additional charge. These fees are as follows. Featured on homepage, $1. Bold title, 50 cents. Sale banner, 50 cents. Highlight, 50 cents. These help your listings stand out and are completely free during our initial startup period. Shipping is next. You can select how to get your item to your customer. This can be local pickup, U.S. Postal Service, UPS, or FedEx. Put in the amount you want to charge for shipping and any additional costs, such as handling, and click Add. Remember, if you don't click Add, your shipping charge will not carry over to your listing. When you have correctly put in your shipping information, this blue box will appear. If you are using PayPal or Authorize.net to take credit card payments, click the Edit Payments button now. This will bring up the Payment Preference Management dialog box. Once these are set, you do not need to change them for future postings. Make sure you check the Allow Instant Checkout box to allow customers to pay immediately after their purchase. If you accept PayPal, check the Accept PayPal button and enter your payment email address. If you accept credit cards through Authorize.net, check the Accept Credit Card box and enter your Authorize.net login ID and transaction key. You can select a specific date to start your listing and a specific time. This function works on all listing types, but is particularly useful for auction listings. If left blank, this posting starts immediately. You must specify a duration, either 3, 5, 7, 10, 14, or 30 days. You can now save your listing as a draft to activate later or start the listing now. To activate your listing, click on the Activate Listing button above the picture. This feature is particularly useful for auction listings. When you go to your listing, this gray bar will show up letting you edit your listing, list similar items, or end the listing early. Only the seller sees this. It isn't visible to your buyers. The social media icons beneath your picture in the listing are there to help you cross-promote your items on Facebook, Twitter, and through email. This shows an active listing. Here is a look at the item on the home page with a sale banner, bold text, and highlighted background. When someone purchases your item, the Confirm Purchase pop-up appears. This allows the buyer to confirm the purchase or cancel the purchase. Once the Submit button is clicked, the buyer is committed. This notice will appear, indicating that the item is no longer available for purchase. The buyer then clicks the Checkout button above the picture. Upon clicking the Checkout button, the buyer will see an invoice appear with instructions on how to pay for the item. In this case, a PayPal checkout button appears on the invoice. The buyer is then directed to the seller's PayPal payment page. Notice the $325? That's the purchase price plus shipping, automatically combined. Thanks for watching this tutorial. We hope it has been helpful. Check out our other selling video on how to sell auctions on Christian Trade Network. Thanks again and happy selling.